Are you wondering what the difference is between Savor, which way am I going around? Are you wondering what the difference is between Savor 100 and Favorite? Well, let's sort it out. Pros and cons. There's no cons, they're both great. They come in pretty much the exact same colors. This is called, what do they call it actually? I forget. Let me find out what they call it. Let me find the names. I should have done that before I started filming. Gypsy and Candy. Okay, let me bring it over. Well, that's interesting. They have different names, although they're the same shade, they're the same color, like physically the same color. So Savor 100, this is Gypsy Pink, and Favorite, it is Candy Pink. Pretty much the same color. You can see the difference in how the skeins are wound. The Favorite is wound around up and down, and Savor is wound more like in a sausage. The other difference is they both look like they're center pull, but the Savor 100 is a center pull. That'll come out, and that'll be the beginning of your yarn. And this looks like it's center pull also, the Favorite, but that will come out and just be from the outside of the skein. See that one? So that is fake. Now, I like Favorite, do not get me wrong. I like it. It's a very soft yarn. It has a bit, well, we guess we can just compare the wind, how they're wound. So this hand is Favorite, and this is Savor. So I don't know how much you can see in the camera, but Favorite is a bit fuzzier and a bit thinner, and Savor 100 really is wound around and around and around, so it does not split. I can't say that Favorite splits either, they don't. Savor is a chunkier yarn. I would say Favorite is more of a 3 weight, and Savor is definitely a 4. So they're different thicknesses. And I will show you that also with wraps per inch. So wraps per inch just means how many times you can wrap your yarn around anything in the distance of 1 inch. So I'm just gonna be using a ruler, but you could use a pencil or a pen or anything at all. It literally just means how many times you get your yarn around something for 1 inch. And it's also included in lots of patterns. It's called WPI. So this is what it means. This dusty pink is Favorite. I just have an open ball, so I'm just gonna use that for this little experiment. And I have a remnant of Savor 100. And then just start wrapping your yarn. I'm gonna try to get right at that 2. There we go. And you just wanna be bringing it around and laying it down beside the previous strand. And you wanna just do this for 1 inch. Just side by side. So that is 1 inch. I think if we took this strand out, we're not going to count this weird bit by the 2. So that would be 1 inch, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wraps per inch. So 11 WPI for the Savor 100. Try to get started on the 1. In the area of number 1. Can you see the 2 there? I think I can get 1 more strand. I think that is how many. This is a bit up because there's a space there, so that one would move down a bit. And this is how many wraps we have of Favorite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 wraps. So there's the result. Saver 100, 11 wraps per inch, 11 WPI, and Favorite is 13 WPI. You can also feel that the Favorite is fatter. Can you see the thickness? It's a bit different. You can see it's a much thinner yarn. Another thing I noticed since I've been working with this Favorite is it's a bit more difficult, well, it's not a bit, it is more difficult to frog. So if you are a beginner, definitely stay with the Saver 100. Favorite, the fuzz on it, after you've crocheted something and you go to frog it, the fuzz can get tangled up on other fuzz. And it can just kind of be like, you know, when two pieces of yarn are like stuck together, just kind of like that, just in the middle, they're touching and you have to like rip it apart. That is what was happening to me when I was frogging or ripping apart or removing my stitches when I was using Favorite. So that is another difference, because I have ripped apart a lot of Saver 100 and there's nothing that snags on anything else. So those are two other things to consider. So that's the gist of the Favorite to the 100. The other thing to consider is how they work up. So I did a Northern Diamond square with both of them. I used a 6mm hook. You can see that this is Saver 100 and this is Favorite. And you can see the size difference. So even with the same hook, Saver 100 just has more yarn to it. It has more yarn. So when you can see how much bigger it is if it's lined up on the side and along the bottom. Let me make sure. Yep. You can see how much bigger the Saver 100 is. And then the flop test. Can you see the flop test? They're both, this one, the Saver is a lot stiffer. It is a lot stiffer than the Favorite. Favorite is drapier. So I wouldn't say Favorite is softer. I would say Favorite has more fuzz and it's more drapey. So if you're using acrylic yarn for clothing, you're gonna wanna go with Favorite because this is just bulky. If you're using this for anything else, I would totally go for Saver 100. Just because of the bulk of it, it's faster, because it's bigger. I mean, if you wanted to make something of a certain size, you'd get there a lot faster with Saver 100. But Favorite would be better for clothing. So anything for around the house, Saver 100. Anything you're gonna wear, minus slippers, I would do slippers out of Saver 100 also. Anything you're gonna wear, then go for Favorite. Baby, if it was a winter blanket for a baby, I probably, like something warm, I'd still be fine with Saver 100. Like a super newborn, delicate, something like super fancy, but still acrylic, then maybe Favorite would be the right thing for a baby blanket. Up to you. That one is your choice. I also did just a regular granny square in Favorite with a smaller hook, just to try to get it to be without as many holes. You can kind of see that has some holes in it. Like it's loosely crocheted, or it feels loose. Whereas with the Saver, there's not really much space between the stitches. So that's another thing to consider. But they're very different yarns. I did do a granny square using, because they both say 4-weight, so I did make a granny square with this orange round instead of the pink, and you could feel a difference. It was much thicker, it was much spongier, so I think you should pick which one you're using. I wouldn't really mix them together. If it's avoidable, definitely avoid mixing them, because they are different yarns or different weights. So my official verdict, I'm a Saver 100 girl. I really appreciate the center pull. I like it a lot. I have been using it a lot. I'm making lots of stuff from it. And they just work up so nicely. There's no tangling in it. There's just like such a lovely, fast yarn to work with. They should call it Fast 100 instead of Savor. A new name would be great. Savor kind of is not the vibe that they should be going for, my opinion. I love the yarn. I think they should just call it something practical. It's like practical acrylic. So that is my favorite. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you have any suggestions or ideas of how to judge yarns, how to compare them, I'd appreciate your feedback on that. It's hard to come up with words. They're both very soft. I would say favorite is definitely fuzzier. Let me see if we can zoom in on the fuzz. Can you see at the top, like favorite has like a halo, a fuzz around it, and Savor does not. So I'm not really into the fuzz. I don't think fuzz means soft, but some people do equate the fuzz to being softer. So if you like fuzz, then definitely favorite is for you. If you like practical and busting a move with a center pull, then definitely go Savor 100. And for the price, price difference, $1.25 for favorite. So it is 25 cents cheaper than Savor 100. Savor 100 is $1.50 a ball. So in my head, I'm just paying someone 25 cents to get it ready for me. That's how I sort that out. And yardage is also different. Should have said that in the beginning, I'm sorry. They're both 100% acrylic. Get them both the right way around. So Savor is 175 meters, and Favorite is 210 meters. So you get more yardage with the Favorite. It goes farther, but the Savor goes faster because it's bulkier. So that is the difference. More yardage with Favorite, more bulk with Savor 100. Same delicious colors. Can you see a difference in those colors? Let me put it that way around too. Is there? Maybe the favorite, the Savor 100 is a bit lighter? I don't know, maybe it's the light of the camera. Anyway, tell me your opinion. Have you ordered both, or if you ordered one, what was your opinion about it? What questions do you have about these two yarns, or any yarn? Leave it in the comments box below. I'd love to hear it. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and stay hooked. Okay, I think that's it. I don't know. Did I answer the question? It's so weird.